do not even have to go and explain this analogy. Let me tell you why this is not in any way near explaining the problem, the logical problem of the Trinity. You are a human being, right?
Yeah.
You are a human being? You are a human being? I'm a human being. You're a human being. How many human beings here?
But
One second.
ask you
Wait, one
question.
second.
And
One
you have
second.
an answer.
1 second.
No.
It's irrelevant if you say God is like a potato. I'm not entertaining any analogies. I am saying all analogies fail. Let me tell you why they fail. You are a human being and I'm a human being. How many human beings here?
But
How many human beings?
I'm trying to get my answer.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the answer only. That's all.
I am not interested in your water analogy.
So you don't want to answer.
Are you saying the water analogy demonstrates that logically Trinity is coherent?
No, I'm just answering. I'm just asking.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
I'm asking only about water.
Yeah, not interested.
You don't
Because the reason why, I'm telling you why the reason why. Because at the end of the day, you still have to talk about the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
But like I'm asking for the water. If you would just talk about only water, not God, not divine powers.
Okay.
Water.
Okay.
Water.
Ice is not the same as the vapor.
No, I'm talking about water
I'm
in
telling
the bowl.
you, I'm telling
Water
you,
in
and
the
answering
bowl.
you now.
Yeah.
Ice is not the same as the gaseous form of water. The liquid water is not the same as ice. Do you get it?
The same water
No, it's
which
not
is
the same.
in the bowl, right? We took some of it, right, of the same water, put it on the side, and it's frozen into the ice. It's the same
What
water
did you
from
add?
the bowl.
What did you add?
Nothing.
That's why you're mistaken.
What do you mean? What I add? Nothing. I took the same water. From
What
the bowl.
happened in that transformation? Hydrogen bonding.
Hydrogen bonding.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me about it.
So you mean chemicals?
Water is chemical, H2O.
Okay. So
So now
but
tell
is
me
the
about the
sa-
hydrogen bonding.
No, I'm just asking if this
I'm
is
telling
the
you
same
now.
water or not.
I just told you
It's
they're
the-
different.
It's not the same.
I'm
That's
just
all.
telling you
Okay,
they're
that's-
different.
That's fine.
Between
So
the
that's
composition of ice and the liquid water and vapor, it's not the same composition.
It's
They're
not
not
the
the same.
same water.
It's not the same
I'm just telling you it's not the same composition.
The composition is different because it's ice, but it's the same
Right.
water from the
Right.
same bowl. It's the same water.
Yeah, it is from the same water, but the composition is different.
Yeah, like Trinity.
That's
like in
why
the
they're not.
Trinity.
Like Trinity? No, not unlike Trinity. I'll tell you why. I'll now tell you now because that's what you're trying to do. Like Trinity,
We knew
I
that
will.
from day one. Yeah, go.
Unlike Trinity, I'll tell you how unlike it is. The Father. No, I'll tell you why. The Father has knowledge. The Son has knowledge. Do you agree?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not knowledgeable enough to.
But
have
you're
a
comparing
conversation.
with water and ice.
I just wanted to have an answer to that
let me
question,
help
and
you
that's
then.
all.
Let me
That's
help
all.
you.
That's all.
Okay,
That's all.
let me demonstrate to you why this analogy is false. In Christian Trinity, only the Father knows himself that he's the Father. The Son doesn't know that I'm the Father. The Son does not know and cannot say, I am the Father. That knowledge only belongs to the Father. The Father does not know that he's the Son, and he cannot say, I am the Son. So that statement, I am the Son, is only can be said and known by the Son. That means the Father and the Son have different knowledge. So if you're now talking about the essence that makes them same, they don't have the same essence. Because the Father's knowledge is different from the Son's knowledge. Just like when you say, oh, the water is the same in terms of its essence, H2O in ice and in liquid water, the analogy is not equivalent. Because there, the Father's knowledge, which describes his essence, part of his essence, is not the same as the Son and not the same as the Holy Spirit. That is why the analogy, anything that you bring, falls short. Christian Trinity is all about three gods working together as one family. I'm not saying they're not one family. They are one family of three gods.
What about the union which he explained? What about the union?
Yeah. Union of two human beings in one family. But still two human beings, not one human being.
He brought verses from the Old Testament
Like what?
about the union.
I'm telling you the same. These two, husband and
He
wife,
explained it clearly. that
no,
this is-
he didn't explain to you. I will explain
explained
to
it to
you.
you and
No,
you
I will
asked
explain to you, my friend. When husband and one becomes one flesh, how many humans? How many humans?
Sorry?
When husband and wife become one flesh,
Become one flesh,
how
yeah.
many humans?
It's they become one flesh. One.
How many
one,
humans?
One union.
How many
that's
humans?
That's his point. I'm not knowledgeable.
You know what?
I'm not knowledgeable enough to
No.
have this conversation.
Are you sincere enough though?
I was.
Are you
sorry?
sincere enough?
No, I'm
Are you
not
sincere?
knowledgeable-
Are you sincere?
knowledgeable enough. That's all.
No, are you sincere?
Yes.
Good. When
That's all. That's all. Thank you very much for your conversation. Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Appreciate you.
But learn about Islam, because only Islam will save you from the hellfire by accepting Allah alone as your Lord, your Creator. If you worship
Appreciate your
anything, anyone other than Allah, hellfire will be your only destination, and there'll be no coming out of it.
I guess I will.
That's
burn-
what the Quran
I
says.
guess I will burn in fire.
That's your choice.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Oh, you like to be burning in hellfire? Up to you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Up to you. But don't forget, we reminded you of that.
Yeah.
We reminded you.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. He's happy to be burning in hellfire. SubhanAllah.